You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce the name of this town in England, not far from London, and there's an airport there as well that serves London. Luton, that's your local pronunciation here. So loo is just like, you go to the loo, and then ton. It's a schwa sound. It's not ton. It's not Luton or Luton. Stress on the first syllable. Luton. Luton, England. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon, and thanks for watching.